In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a skull emoji drop or edit. I don't know what it's called to be honest, but here it is. And we'll be using the free version of Capcut on PC, but I think this will work on your phone app as well. So here we have the final frame of our video, placed right when the beat drops. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna place the time indicator at around this point, and we're gonna click on this icon that says freeze. So we basically made a freeze frame. Feel free to extend this frame as much as you want on the timeline. But now add this PNG skull emoji on top of your frozen frame, and you can find it in the description to download. Place it nicely in the middle of the screen, and maybe towards the bottom a little bit. Resize it if it's too big or too small, and then go to effects and search for something called astral. Click on the plus sign to add it, make its length smaller in size on the timeline, then press Ctrl C on the keyboard, then Ctrl V to duplicate it. Now type in shake and add the shake 3 effect, and you can duplicate this effect as well to amplify it. Alright, so here's how the transition drop looks like so far. You can now search for the rebound swing effect, and you gotta make it the full length of the freeze frame. And you can decrease its size a little bit, I guess, but make its speed lower, so a value of 5 should be great. But for the final bit of the tutorial, we'll focus our attention on the color correction aspect. So select your freeze frame and head over to adjustments. Here inside the basic tab, scroll down until you see this section. Lower the saturation to something like 25. Lower the exposure just a tiny bit, and increase the contrast to give the frame more impact. Scroll down even more, and increase the vignette to something like 30. And I think that's about it for this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you found this very helpful, and let me know if you want to see more Capcut tutorials.